Hello, guys. Good morning and welcome to another weekly update, episode 14. Yeah, episode 14. So it has been a great time making the video. Thank you guys all for people that are here, people that have subscribed, people that always leave us comments, say what's on their mind and what they think, how we can improve. Thank you to you all. So, what we'll be doing this week is we'll be making some traveling bag. For the recent week now, for like few weeks now, what the project we have been doing is traveling bag. So, still, that is what we'll be making this week. I will be making some nursing bag as well. So, by the way, I was supposed to do this intro before I make those, so I've started making the video, but you see after this intro. So I'm supposed to do this intro. I do this intro maybe I think 3 days after we started the normal video. So but we'll proceed from where we stopped today. So let me put that clip I've done before, making of the traveling bag and some of the what is it called, nursing bag. So from there I will continue now and talk to you guys. Thank you guys for watching. So welcome back, guys. This is what we'll be making today. We'll be making a nursing bag. We make one in the last week updates, which is this particular one on the decks here with 3 front pockets. As you can see, this is 1, 2 and 3. It has a magic gum at the front, then another pocket at the side, then with a top zip. And we'll be making some traveling bag this week as well. So we have some material here. We did some last week, which we are supposed to do last week as well, but time did not permit us to finish it, so we should be doing that this week. And we have most of the accessories on the deck, so I'll be using size 10 for this particular bag I'll be making. As you can see, this is a size 10 zip head, then with this customized lining for the inside of the bag. That's what the client requested. So what I'll be starting now is making this nursing bag. As you see, this is the measurement here. This is what we've done way back like few months ago. So, and we still have the design here. I'm making this with this beautiful material. So without no further ado, I will proceed to making of it, and once I start, I'll be taking you guys along with me and see how the process is going. Thank you guys for watching. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe to the channel, turn on the post notification bell, leave in the comment section below anything you think on this particular video, and you can give this video a giant thumbs up if you're enjoying it, and we'll see you at the other side. So guys, this is what I've done so far. I cut it measure. I didn't show you guys for, but I'm still assembling it now. Assembling. So I'm almost done, so I decided to show you. Now I've finished this zip extension. It's just left for me to insert the zip head. As you can see, this is the zip head I'm using for this. So this is how the back of the bag look like. Actually, the first one I made, I didn't put lining, I just sew it, and without taping as well. But this second one, I decided to tape it, so it will be a little bit different to the first one, and is a little bit wider. The measurement here, the other one is 6.5 inch, while this is 8 inch. So that's it. After I finish, I will show you. So part of the weekly updates. Thank you guys for watching. So guys, as you can see, this is the bag. The one I was making, the one I said I tape, I just put some, some stuff inside to bring out the shape. As you see, I tape every aspect of it. So this is the first one I made. So this one I didn't tape any of the inside. As you can see, the inside is just raw that way. It is raw, as you can see. But this I tape it, and that is a little bit bigger than this. Even from the pocket outside there, you will see that it's a little bit bigger. This one is big in the wideness, but other measurements are the same thing. And this is what I have left of the a little bit material. So this is part of this weekly update. And by the way, when this video is coming out, I think it should be holiday for the celebration of Salah. I think so.
let me think. Okay, yeah, definitely. This should be week of Salah already. I think it should be happening on Tuesday, and this video will be coming up on Saturday. Or maybe I can even decide to post it before Saturday to just let you guys see something to work on and watch. So, by the way, I'll be proceeding with the rest of the work, but not today because today is already gone. I didn't start this week. I have to go out and do something, attend to some clients, but I left the shop that way. So that is it. Just this. Okay, let me give you guys a sneak peek. I said I've done this in the past, so this is the measurement. The height is 10 inch, the wideness is 15 inch. That is the length. Then the wideness is 6.5 inch for this basic one, but that one, this wideness here is 8 inch. Then the side pocket you are seeing is 7.5 inch by 9.5 inch. You fold it, the mount a little bit, just the way I fold this. Then the front pocket is 14 by 5.5. This 5.5 you cut 11, then you fold it just the way I did this. As you can see, this is being folded. Then this is just a normal design. This is 5.5 inch by 14 inch. So that's just the basic thing. Then the handle is 23 inch for you to be able to carry a shoulder bag or handbag. So those are just the basic measurement. Then the front pocket you are seeing, which is all this one, is also 15 inch by 6.5 inch, which is this is a half inch you are seeing here. So you just leave a little bit space here, which is about 2 inch, here 2 inch. Then you do whatever you got to do to make it just like this cargo pockets we make on the other bag. So I will be showing the rest of the updates and the work we are doing the week. So by the time this video will be coming out, I know I will not be in the shop, definitely, but we film down to update you guys as everything going in the shop. Before I don't do it like this, but I decide a few weeks back that I should be filming down. Is much more easier for me because before you see me talking about Saturday, I have to finish vlogging, then edit and update, which is not good. It's of stress too much. So I've planned out everything and I do it ahead, make my video ahead, which is very good. So normally, if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing, turn on the post notification, leave a comment in the comment section down below, share this with people you know to be of help to them. I will see you at the rest of the video as we proceed to making it. So welcome back, guys. I hope you guys have finished watching those clips of making those particular bags. Those bags are made in the last week update. By the way, I have not given them out yet. They are still in this week update. As you can see, the two on the so for there. So what I'll be making today this week, this particular material making bag as for it. So and there are some work that are being done inside the nursing bag as well. It's true, you make it a few days ago and it's on the decks inside as well. So this week is not going to be too long because I think this video should be coming in holiday, which is Salah break holiday, which is Tuesday. I think it should be coming within the week of that. But I don't know, we film ahead, so it's on Tuesday. But I don't know when this video is supposed to come out on the weekend, but I may decide to put it before the weekend so that you guys can get something to watch. If you are new, consider subscribing, turn on the post notification so that you get notified when we upload a new video. Leave in the comment section below anything you think on this weekly update and all the video we have been posting. For those of you who are subscribing and unsubscribing again, God deal. And for those of you who are watching and have not subscribed yet, actually when I check my database, it's showing me that 70% or 70-something% of people that watch this video are not subscribed yet, and just 20-something% are subscribed, or let me say close to 30. So please, you guys, as you are watching, just use time to click on
to turn on to click on the subscribe button and turn on the post notification. So it costs you nothing to subscribe to this channel, and it remove anything from you. It will remove nothing from you, I mean. So please just try to subscribe, and we shall proceed with the rest of this week updates. Let me turn it and we shall see. We shall be starting that right now. I just finished filming some film for this bag, this dust bag for some of our bags. So that video should be coming before this vlog or maybe after this vlog. I don't know. It depends on how I schedule it after I finish editing. So this is the nursing bag I was talking about. We make. I've shown it again, but these are some we are making again of the dust bag. So after we finish making, I will just show you how it's going. So that's it. That's the project we are making for this week. And as you can see, the measurements for those are on the board here. You might understand, you might not understand, but if you want me to talk more about it before you saw the video, after you see the video, please leave in the comment section below so we can have a discussion in there during the holiday. So thank you guys for watching, and I will show you the rest of the process as we continue to make. Welcome back, guys. So far I didn't show you when I was cutting and making the rest of the bag, but I decided to show you halfway. So this is what we make so far. For those of you that are still asking question how I make it, this is almost the same design with the two I make, which is those one I made last week. These two, one is there, one is there. This is almost the same design, but it's a little bit different to those one again. But I will still talk about the measurement after I finish. The measurement is slightly different because this one now, the length is 21, while the height is 13.5, then the wideness is 11 inch. So it's a little bit different to the previous one we made. One of those previous one we make, one of it is 20 inch by 11 inch by 13 inch. Then the first one we made, which is the taller one, is 14 by 12 by 18. You see, this one is a little bit different, and not that different only. The pockets here, if you watch those one I showed you, and if you watch the last week updates or 2 weeks update, the pockets, the way I make them is always different. This one is also different as well. So if they say it's handmade, this is why they say something is handmade. It's unique on its own part. It will look alike from outside, but if you check it, you see that there are some key points that are not the same with the other ones. So one of the key points that is make it different to the other is this pocket here. Those one I showed you in last week updates, or I showed you earlier this week as well, does not have this pocket, and there's another pocket here. But when we finish it, and after I finish assembling everything, you see how beautiful the bag is. So we are just working now, just everywhere is just littered, working. So by the way, if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing, leave the post notification on, leave in the comment section down below if you have a question on this process we are doing now, and we shall see you at the other side when we finish making this week updates. Thank you guys for watching. How are you guys doing? So we finally have our bag here. You see how beautiful it is? How beautiful the bag is. As you can see, this is where the zip is. So for those of you that will be imagining or wondering that what is happening, this is just the inside of the bag. So when we turn it, this is how the inside is going to look like. Who doesn't love this? Man, if you don't love this, I don't know what I can say you are. Just imagine how beautiful it is. In bag making, it's not everyone that can do this. It needs to work like this. Well, everyone can do it. It's just time and practice. So now when I turn it, you see the outside, how it looks like. And I think this will even be Tom's name for this video. So welcome back, guys. So this is the final product of the bag. How beautiful it is, man. I love this so much. Even more than the first one and the second one we did.
you too can make this. Those of you watching and those of you who ask questions, that have paid attention to your question and answer to your question, I also dedicate this to you. You should also make yours and send the picture to me on my WhatsApp. I'm expecting all of you one by one. This would be a thumbnail. So guys, the one we make yesterday, this one you see now is not the one we made yesterday. This is another one we make today. But I didn't get to show you the process when we started because I was so busy doing other stuff. So as you can see now, they are trying to turn it, but after it is being turned, I will show you guys. So this is the one we make yesterday. So one of these is already gone, and I think the rest, will be taking the rest out today, so to not be here again. That one is already for someone. That one inside again, they are not for anybody, so it's available for people that want to buy. And this one again, I'm packaging for a family. I will be sending it to them or taking it to them myself. So that's the process we have been doing so far in the shop with activities. So after I finish drawing that one, I will just show you. Then I think this is where we'll be ending the video for this particular week. So if there's any travel vlog, I will make it and do that and put it in the video. So here is the final product, guys. The bag is not bad, very nice, not bad. So it has one zip, this one 2, another 3 zip here, then this is 4, making 4 zip. Bring the second one there, let me see. So let's see if we can spot any difference between the two. This is the one we made yesterday, that one, and this is another one, but the size is not of the same thing. This is slightly different. This is, I think, bigger than this a little bit, but even from the video you can tell. So I hope you guys love this video as we are showing you what we are up to in the shop. If you enjoyed this video, give it a giant thumbs up. Leave in the comment section below anything you think or any project you want us to do after the holiday. Leave the post notification on so that you get notified when we start uploading a new video back or tutorial. So, and if you have people that are interested in this, please share with them. So without no further ado, by the way, happy Salah to you guys. May we attend more of this in our lifetime, and may God reward us and bless each and every one of us across the globe. And for the Christian as well, happy Christmas in advance.